I want to talk about Oddity. ODD is the ticker. Oddity is essentially just a beauty company. And yeah, I want to jump into the financials before jumping into the chart here. But yeah, so it's valued at $3.41 billion based on the current stock price. And then yeah, going into their financials, I want to look at the income statement, go to the annual. But as you can tell, revenue or top line has steadily increased. That's a positive. Gross profit, of course, increased as well, as did operating income, and as did net income. Me, just objectively speaking, based on the income statement alone, very bullish. Now let's look at the balance sheet. Balance sheet. So total assets obviously increasing, liabilities as well, obviously. Total equity also increasing, although it held steady this year. They have minimal debt, and yeah, and I think yeah, just looking at it, total assets, total liabilities, current liabilities. So yeah, they have good working capital. So like that's the thing. This company, they're profitable and everything. Like there's no reason why this couldn't be a good stock to hold. So this is looking pretty solid. Now, operating cash flows, and let's see, they have free cash flow of 134 million. So as you can tell, free cash flows, OCFs, and free cash flows have been increasing. Big plus. Very good. I really like this stock so far, just based on the financials. Now, looking at the chart here. So chart ripped back in April, and came from about $40 up to $70, almost $80 a share, and has since pulled back. Now we're looking at the weekly chart, so you know. And I just plotted a fib here just to see like, okay, if this stock begins to rally, where could it potentially go to? $106 a share. I'll remove that off the chart, get it off. But yeah, I mean, overall, I really like the stock. I think it's got some merit to it, especially based on the fundamentals of the company. This is definitely one I will be watching, and I might want to start buying this stock. This stock potentially could get down to this gap here, right? If it gets down to this gap, one reason why it would be bullish for me to get in is because financials are doing just fine. They're great. And also once it's below its 200-day moving average, that's typically a great time to start accumulating solid stocks that are performing well. This one, it happens to be one of them. If it gets down there, to me, this is a for sure buy. So as such, I will plot this as a little buy zone, right? I'll just plot that in there just to buy it in here if it gets down there, right? I think that would be a good place to buy. So this is what I'm watching. Definitely worth the watch, and or adding to your watch list. And so here we have, there's no divergence or anything, but yeah, the RSI is looking bullish. I don't know. I think overall this is a great stock. No reason to be scared of it. I think it's trending in the right direction, and yeah, it's a small market cap too. So as it continues to grow, I mean, it can definitely run. And also, look at that, right? Free float shares. There's only 35 million shares available to trade on the market. So, I mean, it makes sense that stock can absolutely rally like it did this day, with 30% in one day. Let's go to FinViz. Let's look at Oddity, and let's check out the short float. So, see, it's not even that short. So, yeah, I don't know. I mean, overall, I think this is a solid name. Nobody's really betting against it. This might be a solid long-term hold, and maybe a great time to start accumulating at this level. Anyways, thanks.